3 tools, 1 job, real stopwatches. n8n finished in 75 seconds. Make took 28 to get moving, and the one everybody recommends? Never cross the finish line. The job is episode 1's workflow. Deals in, invoices priced, chase list out. 1 CSV file and all 3 tools get exactly the same one. n8n first. It's the only one of the 3 you can run on your own machine for free. You start exactly here. Empty canvas. Stopwatch starts the moment you touch it. Hit the plus, type manual, and that's your trigger. In production, you'd swap it for a schedule or a webhook from your CRM. Now press tab, type code, and here's your second node. Reading the export. Watch what you're writing here. Split the file into lines, split the header into columns, turn every row into a named object. 10 lines, and half of them are just being careful. Next node, and this is the only business logic in the whole build. You keep the 1 deals, drop the rest. See that line with the quarterly split? Quarterly contracts bill a third per month, and that 1 line is the difference between an invoice that's right and an invoice that starts an argument. Last node, and you're writing the output, plain HTML invoices. Why HTML? Because every browser you own prints it to PDF. That quietly kills the second subscription most stacks bolt on just for documents. And you add a chase list with follow-up dates, because an invoice nobody chases is a donation. Now hit execute and keep your eyes on the connections. 12 deals come in. 8 survive your filter. 1 summary out. There it is. 8 invoices, $16,738 in 580 milliseconds. Look at the stopwatch, 75 seconds end to end. That's the whole job. What does this cost to run? The license is free. n8n's sustainable use license covers this. The machine is one you already own, or a $5 VPS if you want it in the cloud. At any volume this workflow will ever see, the marginal cost of a run is 0. Make, same file, same job, and credit where due. The fastest start of the 3. 28 seconds from empty scenario to real data flowing. You click the big plus, pick HTTP, make a request. Authentication? None. Paste your file URL, method get, save. Now hit run once and open the execution inspector. 1 operation, status 200, your whole CSV sitting in the response. This is genuinely pleasant software. Now the part I promised to keep in. The pricing logic needs 2 more modules. Parse the CSV, then filter and do the quarterly math. And adding a module to an existing chain fought me. The add button lives in a hover animation. The field mapper wants precise clicks in precise order. None of it is hard once you know it. All of it is time. And on camera, the clicks won. I stopped, and the stopwatch shows exactly where. Cost context. The free tier gives 1,000 operations a month. This job at 3 runs a day is 90 operations a month per module. Call it 400 total. Free tier covers it. The paid tiers start at about $10, and you meet them the day you scale. Zapier. You build 2 steps. Pick schedule for your trigger, pick code for your action. 1 code block is about to do the entire job. Fetch, parse, filter, price, total. 43 seconds and you're built. This should have been the cleanest win of the 3. The code is the same logic n8n ran, compressed into 1 block. Zapier even runs modern JavaScript with fetch built in. On paper, perfect parity. Then the test. Failed to run your code. Execution exceeded 1 second. That's not a bug. The free tier caps every code step at 1 second of runtime, and fetching a file over the network eats that alone before a single line of logic runs. The same job n8n finished in 580 milliseconds of local time cannot legally exist on a free Zapier plan. To unlock it, you need a paid plan. And code steps get about 10 seconds there, which is plenty. Zapier starts at roughly $20 a month, and the tier an agency actually needs runs over 100. For 750 tasks. The math from episode 1 applies. So here is the full picture, not the thumbnail version. Speed to first result? Make, and it is not close. Completing the actual job today for free. Only n8n did it. Zapier built the fastest complete solution. And then a business decision, not a technical one, stopped it at the door. The scoreboard. n8n, 75 seconds, the full job, $0. Make, fastest to data, logic unfinished. Zapier, built fine, blocked by a paywall the moment the job got real. So which one should you pick? If you run 5 automations a month, Zapier is fine, pay it. If you like visual builders and your volume is moderate, Make is genuinely pleasant. If a workflow is a business asset you will run every day, self-hosted n8n is free and fast, and you are the on-call when it breaks. There is no single answer here. Anyone selling you one answer is selling you a link. One more thing, because a comparison that cannot imagine being wrong is an ad. If your team lives inside Google Sheets and Slack and nothing else, Zapier's connector catalog is genuinely unmatched, and the 1-second cap will never bite you because native connectors do not count against it. If you need European data residency with a contract, Make is the only one of the 3 that makes that conversation easy. And if nobody on your team wants to own a server, the free n8n math quietly stops being free the first weekend it breaks. Every verdict has a footnote. Those are mine. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.